Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm about to show you how I make this soup, which is oxtail and pig's tail red peas soup. Yo, so pretty like a money. Look at that. Look at that. This looks bomb. You know what I feel for? Some red pea soup. And since it's quarantine time and I can't go out to get the exact things I want to make red pea soup, I remember that I have some oxtail in the freezer and I have some pig's tail in the freezer. So I'm going to make some red pea soup right now. So I have this oxtail. This is how big the cuts here in France are. I find this oxtail in the supermarket last week and I bought it. It's one big piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. So I'm gonna pressure this oxtail with some red peas while I scald up the pig's tail. So I'm just taking you guys along with me on this oxtail pig's tail experiment red pea soup. So let's do this. I wash the peas and have the pig's tail in here, the oxtail in here. Peas and oxtail in, so I'm just gonna let this pressure for a while. Step 1. I had pressured the peas earlier with the oxtail, but then I realized that the oxtail cook really fast, and because it's soup I don't want it to mash out, so I had to take them out and put them in a bowl. And then I had cut up the pig's tail and added to it. So now that the pig's tail is almost finished cooking and the peas is finished cooking, I'm going to transfer everything now to a next pot to make everything finish cook. So let's transfer everything and add all our other ingredients. I'm gonna use this pot. So right now I'm gonna add in my oxtail that cooked earlier, and then I'm gonna add my peas and the pig's tail and the liquid that's left in the pot. Alright, here we go. That's all our soup liquid in there. Alright guys, so this is in my pot right now. That's in the pot right now. And I'm gonna add everything else real quick. I'm gonna add some coconut milk, which I have here, which was in my freezer, all frozen. So I'm gonna add coconut milk in there. I'm gonna add these carrots, and I'm gonna add Irish potatoes, and I'm gonna add some thyme and some garlic in there. And if you realize I haven't added any salt just yet because the pig's tail itself is salty, so I'm gonna wait and add my salt at the last minute. And now I am going to add some dumplings, but I want my dumplings really small, so I'm making them small and nice. And I'm gonna mix it as I go along because I don't want nothing sticking. All this need right now is a big hot pepper, which I don't have, so make sure if you try this soup you drop a hot pepper in it. And it needs scallion, which I don't have, so make sure if you try it you drop scallion in it. And You can put yam in it, you can put whatever else you normally put in soup, you can put in it. Okay, so right now I'll be adding these bad boys. So I'm gonna put one first and see where my taste is, and then I'll add a second one. So I'm adding katsu to the soup mix right now. I'm adding just one, just to see where my flavor is, and then I'll add another if I need to add another. Okay, so I think I need to add a second one, so I'm gonna add a second one to it right now. You don't need no salt, goodie. So I'm just gonna let this cook, and then we'll check back on it in a while. Yo, so pretty like a money. Look at that. Look at that. This looks bomb. I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes and then we turn it off. Alright, you guys, there you have it. Our soup is an absolute success. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. Oh gosh. Alright, you guys, there you have it. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to Mel's Kitchen. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.